Every user of ePos has their own PIN number, which can be configured in the back office. Once logged in with the PIN number, our ePos tracking every transaction which is assigned to the user. Our ePos software works for items with and without barcodes. So with items with barcodes, simply scan them in, scan in multiple items, increase the number, decrease the number, add in a large number of items. If you don't want the item, you can just simply swipe it off. To find items without barcodes, click search and start typing the name or a description or use product code. When you find the item you want, you can look at the details, including real-time inventory across multiple locations and more detailed product information. Add the product to the cart, decrease the number, and if you don't want it, simply swipe it off. We also have filters. So for example, Adidas football boots in black, blue, green. You can call the filters whatever you like and add whatever products are suitable to each of those options. When you find the item, add it to the cart. When you're ready to take payment, click the Pay icon. Add in the payment amount received from the customer. Our ePos supports split payments and multiple split payments. In this case, let's pay cash. Click Complete, and then we can print a receipt, print a gift receipt, an email receipt, or no receipt, and there's a clear pop-up showing the change due to that customer. Once the sale's complete, you'll receive a unique barcoded receipt. The barcoded receipt comes with your logo printed at the top, as well as your company information, including address, an itemized account of each item purchased at the price purchased, as well as a breakdown of the subtotal, any discount applied, the VAT applied, and the total to pay. It also shows the tender type and any change due. There's a free text area in the middle of the receipt to add return policies or your terms and conditions, or to add in any promotions you may like. We show you who served the customer by name, and if a customer was added to the cart, we'll show you and thank the customer. There's a unique barcode for every receipt to protect you from fraud and theft. And at the bottom of the receipt, there's space for your phone number, your website, VAT, and a date and time stamp. At the bottom of the receipt, there's a free image space. Our customers use that for such things as QR codes or sales and promotions vouchers. Our ePos software supports gift vouchers. To sell a gift voucher, click on the voucher icon, add the amount of the voucher, in this case £40, add to cart. Once the sale is processed, a unique barcoded gift voucher will print from the thermal receipt printer. In this case, a £40 gift voucher. So when a customer comes in and spends £10 at a later date, our ePos software will void the old voucher and print out a new voucher for £30. To process a return, click on the returns icon, scan the unique barcode on the customer receipt. Our ePos software will show all the items from the receipt. Any items that have previously been returned will show, preventing fraud and theft. Choose the item to be returned. Click Next. You can add in your own reason or add a reason that's already provided. You can do a part or full refund. And then you can return either via cash, credit debit card, do an exchange for a product that is lower value, the same value, or greater value, return via a payment gateway such as PayPal, or return a gift voucher. In this case, let's do a cash return. Our ePos software makes it really easy to capture customer data at point of sale. Click on the customer icon, create customer, and then add the details. You can add in an organization, enable account payments, add such detail as date of birth and gender, assign a barcode to a customer from loyalty cards, add an email address, add phone numbers, add a billing address, and also add multiple shipping addresses. To find a customer, click in search and start typing their name. Select the customer and assign to cart. To find a customer at the point of sale, click on the customer icon, and if a customer has a loyalty card with a barcode on it, simply scan the barcode and assign to cart. Our ePos software supports customer accounts. In this case, the account is enabled. We can set up credit limits in the back office. We can see the customer's credit balance and a full breakdown of any paid and unpaid invoices. When an order is put through on account, it creates an unpaid sales invoice. To take payment on an invoice, find the sales invoice, add payment, take a part payment or a full payment, in this case a full payment, on card, and we'll complete that payment. That invoice is now paid and the account balance is adjusted. All sales assigned against a customer are captured here in your customer table. The customer table provides basic information like account balance, lifetime spend, number of transactions, average transaction value. This information can be exported out with all the customer contact information that has been captured, ready for your marketing. Our software goes further and provides meaningful insight, and we provide that in customer groups. Customer groups can be automated or manual. Manual groups work brilliantly for different bands of trade pricing. Each product can have as many trade prices as is required, and once a customer is identified, that trade price will be applied to the cart. Automated groups provide meaningful insight based on the logic that we set up to help segment our customer groups. So for example, I might be interested in who my best customers are. We provide a range of criteria. It could be the number of purchases, so the frequency of purchase, either all time, monthly, yearly. We might be interested in segmenting our customers by their average spend, per purchase, per day, per month, per year. We might be interested in their total lifetime spend, or their average number of purchases per month or per year. We can create quite interesting logic that helps us understand who our best customers are, say they spend more than £500 with us per month, but then add an extra line of logic and look for customers that haven't purchased from us for more than 30 days. So we can also help you monitor customer behavior, and especially those customers that are the most profitable for your business. Insight is meaningless without action. And each of these automated groups can be accessed through the customer table and exported straight out into MailChimp or direct marketing or perhaps text marketing software, ready for you to improve your return on investment in marketing by really targeting the customers that mean the most to your business. To take payments on account, click the customer icon, select a customer, with accounts payments enabled, assign to the cart, add an item, process the payment. In this case, we'll fulfill the entire amount placed on account and processed. There is the processed sales order on account. Looking at the customer account and the order history, we can now see that is an unpaid sales order. Our ePos software benefits from a back office that includes pick, pack and dispatch and integration with couriers. So if you want to take deliveries, our software supports you, which is perfect for selling large items in a B2C point of sale environment or B2B selling where you fulfill orders via courier or your fleet of vehicles. To process a delivery, we can select a customer, add an item to the cart, click the delivery item. We provide any delivery addresses associated with that customer or use our postcode finder to add a new address. Add delivery options that you can configure in the back office and save to the cart. Now we process the order. And here in the back office is the order ready for pick, pack and dispatch from your stockroom or warehouse. Our ePos software provides a variety of hotkeys that can either be taxed or non-taxed. You can link specific SKUs, you can have fixed price hotkeys, but also variable hotkeys. These can be called anything that you would like. You can add in any price for the item and reports will show sales assigned to the category that you have named your hotkeys. Notes can be added to sales orders. And when we process the sales order, we'll see the sales order in the back office with the note. Our software can help you remove a paper trail from your business, give all of the people involved in your business access to information on sales orders, and enable your team to communicate through the sales orders by simply adding extra notes as required. At the point of sale, we can save carts, add in a name, serve another customer. When the customer who's nipped off for something extra returns, simply load the cart back up and serve that customer. Our ePos software also means you can preload carts. So for example, Mr. Smith walks in, says, I have a collection waiting, load the cart and serve your customers very efficiently at the point of sale. Our ePos software provides many complementary and coordinated features to help improve efficiency at the point of sale, whether that's in-store B2C or with trade customers taking orders via telesales or sales agents. So for example, let's add in an item. We will now assign a customer to the cart. They have an account facility. Immediately, that customer's group is linked to a discount which is applied to the cart. And this works brilliantly for rewards and promotions to entice your best customers to visit you, but equally for trade pricing for wholesale and B2B businesses. Our software provides 3 different types of discounts. Discretionary discounts, which can be toggled on and off. Automated discounts, where the logic is created in the back office and automatically applied. But also custom discounts. Now, we could list items in the cart, select a specific item, and then reduce the price by a % or an amount, or set the price of an item, which gives you complete control over the price of every item sold. Our ePos software has a manager's login. Click the cog and access sales reports. Your X and Z read, which has a breakdown of items sold by category, payment method, any returns and cash out, account payments, a summary of the trades, as well as your cash draw expectations, and a breakdown of net sales with and without VAT and gross sales. Your Z read can also be printed on a custom date range. We offer integrated chip and pin terminals, and we provide a log of every transaction processed through the till. Search for different types of transactions, print out receipts or vouchers, or search for a transaction across different date ranges. In the manager's login, manage your float, cash out and no sale. Set up your printers, or select A4 invoices, particularly suited to B2B and trade businesses. Select a different view for ePos. Our Express view is particularly suited to pubs and food sales. And then select from a variety of different features, including downloading all your product images onto your device if you're operating out of Wi-Fi or signal. Perfect for sales agents in the field.